Okay, we are on lesson 3, module 6. Lesson 3, write and solve two-step equation Px plus Q equal R. We are on page, we did this example 1 and the check, right? We are on page 301. And today is 7 November. Now we said in this lesson, we need to write the equation and solve it. Okay. Now we will continue. Now the next, in the previous two example and its check, we add, remember, something growing up. But let's read example 2 together. Example 2, Diego's aquarium. You know the aquarium? Something you put fish inside, right? Diego's aquarium contains. لحظة شوي، وين بتطلع انت؟ ايش في ورا يعني؟ يلا كمل، وين وصلنا؟ ايوه كمل. Diego's aquarium contains 30.5 gallons of water. Okay, he drains the water at a rate of 5 gallons per minute. What's the meaning of that? Drains the water. What's the meaning of drains the water? Means the water will increase or decrease? Decrease. Right. How much it will decrease? In a rate of 5 gallons per minute. Yani in each minute, this water will decrease how much? 5 gallons. Got it? But if we open the aquarium, let's say 6 minutes, how many gallons we will lose? 30. How we get the 30? Each 1 minute, 6 gallons. 6 minutes, we multiply 5 gallons, right? 6 by 5, 30. But if we have 4 minutes, so let's m be the number of the minutes. We don't know the number of the minutes, right? Let's m, example 2, focus. Let m be the number of what? Of minutes. Okay? I don't know the number of the minutes, but I know in each minute we have the water decreased how many? 5 gallons, right? And the total water is how much? 30.5 minus or plus? Minus. It is decreased, right? A minus. Now in each minute 5 gallons. But in m minutes 5 multiplied by m. مش قلنا 4 minutes 4 multiplied by 6. 6 minutes 6 multiplied by 5 acid, right? So here in each minute 6 gallons. In m minutes 6 multiplied. Oh, was 5 gallons or 5? Sorry. 5. Oops. 5 what? كمل. Let's continue read the question. Now, at a rate of 5 gallons per minute for cleaning, write and solve an equation to determine in how many minutes the amount of water will reach 10.5. 10 and this is our equation. The total amount of water 30.5. It decreased, drains out, subtract, right? In each minute 5 gallons. طب m minutes 5m. To reach equal how much? 10.5. Right? Now what we need to do, we need to solve that until to know how many minutes, right? To get 10. يعني هو كان 30.5. They want us to know how many minutes to get 10 and half, right? Yeah, so here I will shift the connected number, which is 30 and half, to the next side. It will be negative. So negative 5m equal 10 and half minus 30 and half. So negative 5m negative 20. صح? Divide by negative 5 by both sides. So m will be what? For what? 4 minutes, right? طيب, let's check. لا, without replacing, I want to check mentally as we understand the question. We have 30 and half gallons, right? ركز الآن. We have 30 and half gallons. In each minute, we lose 5. طب I have 4 minutes. How much I will lose? 20. صح? Lay 5 multiplied by 4. Now 30 and half, the original amount of money, minus the 20. See it after the equal? Good. This is example 2. Done? From the example. Let's go to the check after this example. We have check after this example. Low page 302. Please understand it. Read يا عامر.
I started with $4 and then $6, $8.
بس it started with, so هي قديش معها فلوس؟ 54. She spent, يعني decrease ولا increase الماني؟ decrease. بتصرف قاعدة. She spent how much يا عامر؟ each day in بتروح على الكام. كل يوم كم بتصرف؟ قديش معها؟ continue.
He has $18.
قديش ضل معها بعد كم يوم طيب؟ We don't know how many days. Continue.
Write and solve an equation to find how many days.
How many days? I don't know how many days, right? So let how many days what? D. They wrote for you, right? So let D be the number. هذه number of days. Let D be the number of days. Stop. Let's collect the equation. She has 54. Each day she spent $6, right? But in D days, how much she will spend? In D days. In D days, how much she will spend? 6D, right? 6 multiply D. لو حكينا 5 days. 5 multiply 6. ما هي كل يوم تصرف 6, right? 10 days. 10 multiply 6. 12 days. 12 multiply. So multiply the number of the days by $6, right? So she have 54. She has $54 minus from the word spend, not earn. لو earn شو بتصير هذه؟ Plus minus each day she spent $6 per day, right? So here 6 multiply. قديش بدهم اياه يضل معها؟ This is the equation. Which part? لو select part D, okay? شو هو multiple choice. طيب. Now we have the equation. We need to solve it to know how many days. Let's solve it. Where is the connected number here? Shift, then subtract, then divide, then do your steps. We know how to solve two-step equation, right? So here negative 6D. We then sit in negative. المايك شغال. Equal. How much? 18 minus. صح؟ فاهم يا عم؟ تأكد. يلا. Negative 6D. 18 minus 54. How much? Negative So negative 6D equal negative, divide on negative 6 both sides. So D will be what? 6 what? But let's check the answer together. Now she spent in the camp how much, Yusuf? How many days she spent? 6 days. Each day she spent $6. 6 by 6. طب قديش كان معها أول؟ minus 36. See it? Copy it. This is in part B, huh? Here, from here down, this is part B. Done? So, huh?
We have this
Yeah.
So we divide all and the rest of it.
Done. We are done with this lesson. Do your homework of this lesson, huh? لا تخربط. الهومورك حق هذا اللسن أي بيج؟ تعملوا. اتفقنا؟ اليوم. Now let's ايش بده هذا؟ Now let's go to next lesson. شوف هذا الأخ. Yes يا مستر.
Mr. Example 2.
Hello.
Hello.
ما بنسمعه احنا. Yes. I can't hear you, Mister. You can ask me later. طيب. Now let's go to the next lesson, which is lesson what? So your homework for today is on page 305. Don't forget that. Now we will enter in page 307 how to solve the two-step equation P of x plus q. So I'm in module 6, lesson 4. Solve two-step equations on the form P with x plus q all equal R. I'm on page 307 and today is 7 November. Now focus on the board, please. Focus on the board, please. Now P and Q and R, el P will Q will R, they are real numbers, okay? Numbers, add the numbers. Done? Our variable is what? This is what we need to find the value of. To what? احنا قلنا solve means find the value of the variable, okay? Right. The first step here is to get rid of this parenthesis. Okay. Yeah. So first step, we need to get rid of this parenthesis by distributing mean the P. We took the expanding, remember? Now we took something like 5 multiplied 3x plus 8, remember? We distribute the 8, we call it expanding, right? 5 multiply 3x, 15x plus 5 multiply 8, 40, right? We know how to expand a number outside the parentheses, inside the parentheses, right? So how we will solve? First step, we will expand the q outside to inside the parentheses. Get it? For example, solve, example, solve the equation 3 multiply 2x plus 9 equal 30. First step, we distribute mean. The 3, distribute it. 3 multiply 2x, 3 multiply 9. So 3 multiply 6x plus 27 equal what? صح? Two-step equation. Shift and divide. So the 27 here, 6x equal 30 minus 27, 6x equal 3. Divide on 6 both sides. X will be 3 over 6, which is 1 over 2. Done? Now, example 1, لو سمحت. Example 1, page 308. Do you understand the idea? Yeah. So we are in example 1, page 308. Solve 3 multiply x plus 5 all equal 45. First step, we distribute the 3 inside the parentheses by multiplying. So 3 multiply x, 3 multiply 5. 3 times x, 3 times 5, all equal. صح? Now we have two step. Two step هاي. Shift the 15, divide on 3. ولا لا? X will be 10. Check. So here 3x equal 45 minus 15. 3x equal 30. Divide on 3 both sides. X will be 10. Now to check our answer, replace this x by 10, right? 10 plus 5 multiply 3. Done? ها؟ كبي وقت هذا example محلول عندك. يلا كبي بسرعة. Yes, Badr.
Mister, can you hear me?
Sorry guys, there is a problem here in the voice. I cannot hear you. So try to understand. Type. Now, huh? I don't want to. Okay, let's do the check. After this example 1, we have check. Right? Check. Page 309. Solve 2 multiply x plus 4 all equal 20, negative 20. Solve it, all of you, go. Solve it, go. Yusuf, what's the x equal? Negative 14. Let's check. Yeah. So first step, we distribute the 2, right? So it will be 2x plus 8 equal negative 20. Right? Now shift the 8, 2x equal negative 20, negative 8. Now we add and put the same sign, right? So 2x yeah, 2x equal negative 28. Dividing 2 both sides. X will be negative 14. Now to check our answer, you replace x here by negative 14. Now negative 14 plus 4 negative 10. في حد واحد حكى 18. Negative 10 multiply to negative 1. Done? Criminal example? Good. Let's go to example 2 together. Solve 5 multiply n minus 2 equal negative 30. We will follow the same strategy. Distribute the 5. It will be 5n minus 10 equal negative 30. صح? After the step of the distribution, it will be two-step equation. Now shift the negative 10. 5n equal negative 30 plus 10. So 5n equal negative 20, right? Divide on 5 both sides. So n will be what? Minus 4. N will be minus 4.
So
What?
there is no check for this.
Negative 4. So this is example 2. Now we have check of example 2, page 310. في تشيك يا ابني هي موجود. Copy it. So we have on page 310. Copy. If you don't have it, copy it. Check after example 2. Solve. بعدين if you don't have it, copy it. Solve 3 with x minus x minus 6. If you don't have it, copy it. Equal negative 12. Solve it, all of you.
I solved.
Yes, Abdul Hamid. What's x? X equal 2. Huh?
X equals -2.
Huh? Let's check. 3 by x, 3x, 3 by 6, 18 equal negative 12, right? Shift the negative 18, 3x equal negative 12. Equal negative 12 plus 18, right? So 3x equal negative 12 plus 18 positive 6. كيف طلعت negative 2 معكم؟ كيف طلعت negative 2 عندكم؟ هي subtract put the bigger sign. تلخبطش، ما احنا حكينا ممنوع. طيب done this check. Done. Guys in the online, yes. Write your question please in the chat. يلا. Guys in the online, write your question in the chat. Because I cannot hear you here. Copy it, mister. If you don't have it, copy it. It's not that big a problem, يعني. Copy it, mister. Any place. Mr. Omar Ala, page 301, you mean the previous lesson, right? طيب, I will go back, معلش. هذا check مظبوط. Example 2 احنا. This one, right? طيب, here the amount of water, remember? 30.5 gallons. In each minute, they lost, or it lost how much? 5 gallons, right? So in m minutes, 5m, this is how much water left. So 30.5 minus 5m equal 10.5. And here we did the equation, we solved it. That's all. Okay, welcome. Else, any problem? So here what we did in this lesson, we did example 1 and its check, example 2 and its check. If you don't have this check after example 2, just copy it by a side or in your copy book. Okay? يبني copy it any place مش هاي البيج problem يعني صح؟ يلا. طيب. Now we will stop here in this lesson. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will finish it. It will be the last lesson in this semester. Okay? Done? This lesson will be the last lesson in this semester. Tomorrow we will finish it and you will do its homework. Okay? I will go back. Done this lesson, خلاص? Let's go back to your homework for today. We have few minutes there. Let's solve some of them. خلينا نريحك منهم. يلا. مش كلهم. So you mean you did the first 5, right?
One and four. 1 to 4.
لحظة شوي. الكل يفتح الهوم ورك page 305. يلا. خلينا نشوف. Guys in the online, go to the homework page 305, please. يلا. Yeah. Right. Let's see example question 1 together. Question 1. So we are in question 1, page 305. So go to page 305. We are in question 1. Easton went to a concert with some of his friends. خلاص؟ Easton وين راح؟ على حفلة هو وشوية من أصحابه. خلاص؟ طيب. The tickets يعني the all tickets مش the tickets. شوف هنا بدك تركز. The tickets cost قد ايه؟ $29.50 each. يعني for each one قديش اشترى tickets؟ Good. And they spent a total of $15 on. This is in the concept. Spends once time, right? They. ركز. ما قالوا هي. شو قالوا؟ وين شي؟ وينها شي؟ انت بتنكت؟ انت هيك دمك خفيف؟ يا روح يعني. يلا. They spent. They didn't say he spent. They means all of them together. They pay how much for the parking? $15. Right? يعني اجوا صفوا سياراتهم دفعوا 15 للباركينج ودخلوا. خلاص؟ طيب. The total amount spent was $133. Determine how many people they went to the concert. طيب. Let P be what? The number of people. We don't know the number. وين بنعرف هذا Easton بس. أما قديش أصحابه ما بنعرف. So let P اكتب زي ما بكتب. بالضبط. Let P be the number of what? Of people. The number of people, okay? Let me finish quickly. Now, يا اخوي حل عني. يلا لا the number of people خلاص. طيب ذكرونا بالفلوس. هلا all of them they spent how much? $133 all of them. هذه بعد اللي يخبر مضبوط. طيب هم كم دفعوا على الباركينج؟ $15. وكل واحد قديش دفع للتذكرة؟ 29.50 29.5. طب for P people 29.5 P plus 15 equal. Now you need to do what in your home? But they want the total of the money. Do we have the money and subtract it from it, or we need to know the total of the money in this people, in these people? The total of the money. So together they pay, they pay 29.5 for the ticket for each. Then they pay 15 يعني انت اذا رحت اشتريت بيبسي واشتريت شيبس بدنا نعرف كم دفعت، شو بتعمل اد ولا سبتراكت؟ اد، تقول كم ثمن البيبسي، كم ثمن الشيبس، تعمل لهم اد بتقول انا صرفت كذا، صح؟ فهمنا؟ So after you solve this equation you will find what? The value of P, it is the number of the مع Easton، اوكي؟ مع Easton يعني Easton معهم، Easton هذا اللي رايح معهم، مالكم نسيتوا Easton؟ الله يسامحك. طب ليش؟ That's all guys, thank you.